Yeah, you called it a changeable day, Keith, and I could totally see that. One point I'm driving, I don't need sunglasses. Next, I'm walking down the street and I need them.
Yeah, and I'm like, I like snow squalls in the sense that it's a very thunderstorm reminiscent for me. It's like big bursts of snow, gone for 15 minutes. I was watching that line come towards the coast, and it was holding together, and then poof, evaporated. Right. And I was like, oh, sad. I'd like to see one of those, but we had some good ones out there this morning. Arctic air in place tonight, and then some snow coming late tonight, tomorrow. So we got a lot going on. Nothing huge here, but watch this temperature trend. So this is this morning at 5 in the morning, or 5:45 in the morning, 32 in Portland. Okay, watch this purple come down behind that Arctic front, and it continues to sink towards the coast, getting us currently in the teens and low 20s along the coastline, teens inland, single digits, Berlin, Greenville, and into Caribou. That was all part of that front. Northwest winds were really quite aggressive right behind that front. I'm sure you noticed that, gusting to 40 to 50 miles an hour. Now they're still breezy, but not as bad, gusting to between 20 and 30 miles an hour over down East Maine. So it would be a really frigid night tonight if it weren't for the fact that this storm is approaching us. So clouds get shoved in here around 10, 11 o'clock. The temperature stabilizes as a result, and then here comes a period of light snow after midnight from south, kind of west to east, but southwest to northeast. And because it's so cold, this will be really quite efficient snowfall. So there's not a lot of moisture here, but there's a lot of cold air and some snow coming through tomorrow morning. And I think around the morning commute time, especially in the mid-coast and just inland, it may be a little bit dicey. Certainly not impassable. It's not going to be ripping snow here, but we could see some moderate bursts, temperatures in the teens, so it's accumulating on roadways easily. We get a break in the middle of the day with clouds, and then just periods of off and on light snow through the afternoon. And this, around 4 o'clock, is another Arctic front right here. And watch that push down to the coast, and then temperatures come down very rapidly Wednesday night into Thursday. And so the theme is, and it will continue to be, that we get snow when we keep it this year, which we haven't done a whole lot of. Up to 2 to 4 inches from 1 to 3. It's a little cute, right? I mean, we're within the margins, but Ryan and I both felt like we have a better chance of getting more towns right in 2 to 4 than 1 to 3, because I think there's enough fluff factor that we'll see some 4-inch reports, dusting to 2-inch across northern Maine. Quietly, after a frigid day on Thursday, there's a system on Friday night that it's right on the line for us, but we might catch it just right to give us a period of some snow on Friday night. And this would be a similar situation of maybe 3 or 4 inches of snow over southern Maine and the coastline before that ships out on Saturday. So again, nothing big here, but some accumulating snow over the next week or so. By the way, latest numbers are we are 1.2 degrees below average for the month. Today's going to be tricky because technically our high temperature will be above average, and it happened, and then temperatures plummeted. Yeah. But that, the data is what it is. We can't really massage that at all. Really cold Thursday. Watch that storm Friday. Maybe some more light mix on Monday. So over the week, next 7 days, some of us will pick up 6 inches of snow. It's just not going to happen in a very dramatic fashion. So
I think a lot of the people who like doing winter activities would be appreciative for 6 inches of snow over the course of a week. Yeah, and like I said, it's sticking around. I mean, we still have that snow from a week and a half ago or whatever, and that just didn't happen the last 4 or 5 years. I have friends who said they finally got out cross-country skiing. Yeah. You know how difficult that can be when there's
cumulative.
No snow.
You need it, yeah.
Thanks, Keith.